key development yesterday in Libya war when Turkey conducted its military drills in Mediterranean off the coast of Libya. This is a key development, viewers. I'll talk later about the reason behind the importance of this development. But this development went unnoticed, I think, and there must be discussion about it because this is a very important development. Now, viewers, according to Turkish Defense Ministry, military drill was conducted in Mediterranean in which F-16 fighter jets, KC-135 refueling aircrafts, C-130 cargo planes and AVOX plane were involved, and Turkish naval and air forces were also involved in that drill. What is the significance of that drill in the background of Libya war, viewers? Because Turkey hasn't deployed its F-16 fighter jets in Libya so far. If Turkey wants to deploy its F-16 fighter jets, it will have to go through a process of refueling because F-16 fighter jets cannot reach from Turkey to Libya in one fueling. There will have to be mid-air refueling. And that is what was done in these exercises yesterday, that Turkey experimented how to refuel these F-16 fighters in air. Because KC-135 refueling aircrafts which were used in yesterday's exercise, these aircrafts are used to refuel F-16 in air. So that was worked on in the exercises which occurred yesterday. So in the coming days, we might see deployment of F-16 Turkish fighters in Libya war. Can that happen or not? It remains to be seen. But yesterday there were several posts on social media platforms, especially Twitter, about this likely deployment of Turkish F-16 fighters in Libya war. That remains to be seen whether Turkey decides to deploy its F-16 fighters in Libya or not. But Turkey is definitely showing that it is going to go all out in Libya war. Al-Watia Air Base, its siege is going on by GNA forces. Turkish drones are playing their part so far, but so far Turkish F-16 are not part of this war. If Al-Watia base cannot be taken by GNA forces, can Turkey decide to launch its F-16 fighters in the coming days? And if Turkey does decide to launch its F-16 fighters, what will be the reaction of the governments, the powers which are backing Haftar forces, like UAE? UAE has Mirage fighters, viewers, French fighter jets, and these fighter jets are at Al Khadim Air Base in Libya. Will UAE retaliate by the use of these Mirage fighter jets, viewers? And if UAE decides to deploy its Mirage fighter jets to counter F-16 fighter jets of Turkey, what will be the scene, what will be the scenario in the coming days? So that remains to be seen. Secondly, viewers, one important thing that much talk is being done about Turkish drones in Libya. The Turkish drones are making a difference. Chinese drones, Wing Long series, are used by Haftar forces, and Turkish drones are being used by GNA forces. So what is the difference? I mean, what is the difference in Turkish drones, which is TB2 series, Bayraktar series, and the Chinese drones, Wing Long series? Both are essentially the same. I mean, if you look at technology, sophistication, there is not a huge difference between these two, between the technology of these drones. What matters is that Turkey is using its drones very extensively. It has huge supply of these drones. These are locally manufactured drones. And second thing, viewers, which is very important, is that Turkey is using Korkut anti-aircraft guns. This is a very lethal weapon which is being used by Turkey in Libya war. Korkut is also manufactured in Turkey, and this Korkut anti-aircraft gun, it is very, very lethal against drones. That is why the activity of Wing Long drones of Khalifa Haftar forces, it has decreased a lot. We are hearing news that Bayraktar series drones of Turkey, they are being shot down continuously. But Turkey has immense supply of these drones, locally manufactured drones, Then these guns, Korkut guns, these two things are playing their part in keeping the supremacy of GNA forces in the air. And if Turkey decides to deploy its F-16 fighter jets as well, we might see things changing a little in the coming days. Let's see what happens. Thank you for watching.